Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video I'll show you how to fix common Windows 10 startup issues. And the best part is, we won't need any CD, DVD, or ISO files. Everything we'll use is already built into Windows. We'll assume your PC can't boot into Windows 10. Maybe it restarts over and over, gets stuck on a black screen, or throws you into an error loop. If you've done 3 consecutive forced shutdowns using the power button, Windows should automatically launch the automatic repair tool. Once you're on the "Your PC did not start correctly" screen, you'll see 2 options, Restart and Advanced Options. Restart sometimes helps, but in this case, we'll go with Advanced Options. Let's start fixing the issue step by step. Method 1. System Restore. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose System Restore. This tool rolls your system back to a previous restore point, a time before things went wrong. It doesn't affect your personal files, but it may remove recently installed apps or drivers that could be causing the issue. If you see multiple restore points, select the most recent one and click Next, then Finish. Once you confirm, the system will start restoring. Don't interrupt it, just wait for it to complete. When done, your PC will restart. If Windows loads normally, you're all set. If not, move on to the next method. Method 2. Command Prompt Registry Backup. From Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Once it opens, type the following and press Enter. Then type dir. You should see folders like Program Files, Users, and Windows. If not, try the D. Drive. Next, enter cd /windows/system32/config. Then create a backup folder, md backup. Now copy your current registry files to that backup folder. Copy *** backup. Next, go to the regback folder, cd regback. Check contents with dir. Then restore the backed up registry by typing copy ***. If asked to overwrite, type A and hit enter. Now close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Hopefully, this brings your system back to life. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the startup issue. If you can get into safe mode afterward, I recommend uninstalling any software or drivers you recently installed. They might have caused the problem. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.